just to go live. Um, at least to show that I do trade, have green trading days every now and then.
I wonder if we'll see Robert
I don't know.
this morning. We gotta tell him he needs to start waking up at 7:30 when there's a big news release because it's a clear opportunity.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm just gonna review the trade that we took again, just because I'm live. Gonna go on the. Why does Trading View sometimes change your charts to like NQ1 exclamation?
No.
Mine doesn't, man. Like every other day, and it's annoying. Alrighty, just for the folks out there, we went off of a 4 hour Sibi that says Bissy. Should say Sibi. Sibi. Whoopsie.
You always mix those up.
Yeah, Sibi, Bissy. Don't mix them up. 4 hour Sibi. Today, that's the 4 hour right there showing you. Let's go down to the 1 minute. We had 6:30 news, 6:30 our time. What is it? 8:30 New York time. Price manipulated into that inefficiency, and then came back down, creating a Sibi on the 1 minute. That's my inverted fair value gap there, by the way. I don't know if you noticed. I know you don't like it because it's doggy dipshit, whatever.
Well, I still understand them as something that's more important than just the Sibi by itself.
Sure, I get it.
You know what I mean? So that's what confuses me. I don't know.
I get it.
Does that make that Sibi better? Is what I want to know.
Oh, okay. That's a good question. Something to do some research on.
It could be like, probabilities just jumped 15% now that
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
That'd be cool if that's the case, and then you could just narrow down looking for that situation.
I think so, man. I'm gonna do the research. Damn it. Anyways, go ahead.
Here's the idea. The idea is that it got up to take a liquidity.
Yes.
And immediately reacted down. That's
exactly.
How you would get that. Look.
Exactly.
And so I get the premise behind it.
Yeah.
Price action.
Yeah.
Okay, so check that out. We actually now, during the open, hit that, re-entered that 4 hour. And now look at the reaction. Do you look at it that way?
Ooh, I don't know, man. In the past, now I'm kind of not necessarily just getting on you, but in the past you're like, no, it's already used, like it's done. But I don't know. Let's see what happens, man. See what happens. The price here.
No big open range gap or anything. It was tight and it closed itself already. So.
To finish my thought here, went up into this 4 hour Sibi, came back down, creating a Sibi on the 1 minute. We got in at the entrance of that Sibi, and my target was to this low, the news low there. I actually had it up a little bit higher just to give myself some room, some space, quote unquote, at 650. And there's a volume imbalance right there too, by the way. And I was at home and I got out. I had to drive to the office, and I got out at 666 even. And so I made a good 50 points there. That's the trade right there. and I did it on my top step too. So that's it. I'm basically even for, well, even would be very generous. I'm down just a little bit for the month of September.
Really?
Yeah, just a little bit, and it's fine. It's not fine, but it's fine.
And September's done only one thing: go straight up.
Yeah.
That's funny, huh?
That is funny.
Like I'm hovering. Let's see, where's September? Fucking hell! I mean, it was down at 23,200. So 1,500 points up from here, from there to now, and you think like, how in the fuck did we not, just clean house?
I know. Jesus, dude.
Oh, this is why. Because over half of that month is all price.
Oh, you're right. Actually,
it's all all-time highs, which does create difficulties.
Actually, you're absolutely right. So there's nothing to go off of.
Right. That's why we struggled.
Yeah, I see that.
I had 2 decent weeks. I mean, this week for me is decent. Last week was decent. That was it. That's all I had. I didn't trade during all that initial push up because again, we didn't have anything.
Yeah.
If we only knew, man, we would have just bought.
Oh, excuse me. Jeez. I got to tell you, it feels great to make back my losses from yesterday, man, and then a little sum.
You made 2 winning trades.
Yes, I did. I'm real happy about that. Jesus.
Feels good when you're in sync with it.
Yeah.
Such a weird feeling when you're not.
God, it's a terrible feeling.
You're like, what the fuck is happening? But experiencing both over and over again, I'm starting to get kind of used to it. But up month for me.
That's good.
So that's, yes, sir.
It was.
Just.
It's tough when they run away, when it's not very clear. And what I mean by that is when there's that, talking about the 1 minute, once we have our thesis and we go down to the 1 minute and there's a small, like the smallest fair value gap, whether it's a BISI or SIBI, right? It's hard to make that decision of, should I get in? Should I get in? Is this displacement? And then you don't get in and it runs. That's hard. Versus like today, it was kind of real apparent. Would you agree?
Yeah.
It was very apparent that SIBI on the 1 minute just was obvious.
Yeah. Well, news here in a couple minutes. We'll see if it does some more shit for us.
8 o'clock news, yeah.
Just a medium, but still,
Yeah, with commissions, I'm down $300 on the big accounts, which that's nothing for the month. For the month, that's 55 points, give or take.
That's what you are for the month?
Yeah, down. But in reality, it's $255. Okay, $43 or 43 points. That's what I'm down for the month. So I mean, it's not good, but it's not terrible. One minute.
Shit, 20 seconds, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, at this point, you think, all right, well, let's go re-enter while we're open. And then the play happens basically again, essentially. Yeah. There's an entry. Oops.
What's the premise here? I'm lost.
I just said it's kind of the same thing.
Yeah, just okay.
Maybe take itself out over here. Take that 6:30 news out. Okay. I don't know, but that's the idea. I mean, I'm not going to play long through here because what's behind it is not. I don't have anything. I mean, we wicked down at the open or whatever, but that didn't go take out liquidity. Mm-hmm. No POI, so no trade. But right now, we're right back into that POI at the actual physical open for the market, right? And now the news shot up into it, right?
Yeah. That's boy, you were. I hate when you're fucking right.
Who says I'm right? We'll here, but
yeah. I'm kind of going off topic. What you're talking about right this very second. 6:30. Had we not traded 6:30, we'd be kind of screwed. We'd be in this situation. What is it doing?
Well, I don't know if we're screwed. Our best premise isn't played out yet, but it's setting itself up possibly. So, or this just finishes out higher to end the week. I don't know. Mm-hmm. We'll know. I mean, here's a Bissy leading up into it, right? So let's see if we civvy through it for producing that.
Oh, yeah, the inverted.
Or it's going to enter that Bissy and keep roaring up. I don't know. Come on. Oh, get water. Thirsty.
Now with oh wow.
Well, geez. see. I mean, fuck it, right?
I mean, I'm not trading it. I'm watching, but yeah. Are you going to trade it? I hear clicking.
I'm not clicking. I don't know what you're hearing. But I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't, unless you just don't want to, right?
Yeah, what is that the same? That's the same entry, bro. How hilarious is that?
So hilarious.
So hilarious.
I mean, that's displaced up, displaced down. I mean, the structure's there. Could it lose? Sure.
Oh yeah.
Looks like it's going to be big.
Runaway gap. What is that called?
Breakaway
Breakaway
gap.
gap. Runaway gap. What's our girl Tanja doing?
Yeah, they don't seem to get up for that 6:30. They come in later. I don't know what their thinking is on that.
Let me see what my boy Tyler Trades is doing. Oh, he is long. Oh, he's about to lose.
Interesting.
Oh God, he's about to get stopped out. He's 2 points away. Oh my gosh, dude. His stop loss is 671.
See, and then I look at that and I'm like, how in the fuck?
718.
Do you not notice the 4 hour? You know, I don't know.
Wow.
Right, well, this is a big displacement. Mechanically, what would you try to go for here? Obviously would love the top one, but do you take consequent on this? Is that what we look at now?
Oh, that is. I mean, you can always do that, right? Always do that. I think.
I like this song.
Huh?
I like this song.
You like this song? What song is it?
Lana Del Rey.
Oh.
It's kind of gay, but I'm admitting online I like it.
It's a chick song?
Oh my god! So you're sitting there going, I don't think I treat you. Well, look, dude.
I know. I'm looking.
Okay.
I'm watching.
God dang. Well, order block. Okay, so I think we could. Damn, I don't know. I don't know order blocks that well, but we put this high in, so I'm going to be looking now at the 680 level. Okay, I'm calling out the 680 level. Little city there. To me, it's a repricing of that is possible. It's a massive Jesus Christmas. Well, there you go.
Okay, wait. Before you move on, what is your idea? Just humor me here.
Well, it's getting fucked, but okay. So there's 2 down close candles before that high was put in. Just trace yourself back, and there it's 54 and 55, 754 and 755. So those bodies. So you look at that body and you draw that body across the red candle. That's 680, and
But why those two? Why?
Because they're the down close candles before the new high gets put in.
Okay, I can play along.
This is what you have to reverse engineer it. Okay, listen. Order flow to the upside. What should have happened? Those 2 candles should have supported price no lower. In other words, if it was a retrace, it would never go past that and then continue up. That's the idea of order blocks and order flow. Okay?
Okay.
What happens when you break them? They now become support in that other direction.
Okay.
So price has a tendency to come back up and test into that.
Okay.
Now you're watching bodies, not wicks, and then it should go lower. So my idea is of being able to reprice that high.
Okay.
Like we should be able to, and then we should react to that. We should show something like I sent you this morning already that's happening.
Okay. I get it.
Okay. I know it's a big move.
I mean, that was our move, and it did it in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Just think you just could have just fucking entered.
Re-entered and redone it all over again. And I want to point out, inverted fair value gap.
Well, yeah, no entry, but maybe.
I don't know.
Just place up, just place down, boom. You should just fucking mark it in. That was huge.
Huge.
Tyler could have fucking doubled down. I don't understand Tyler, man. I know you're just hard up on his dick, bro, but why in the fuck was he long? I don't know. I just don't.
He lost 47
I don't think he's as smart as you think he is.
I think I need to look. I need to see why he traded yesterday, but he might have just gotten lucky yesterday, man.
Well, again, you got Sir Pickle. I'm not saying he's a master. Just
no, but
there's no trade today.
But we've been
watching.
Yeah. Go ahead. No. Sir Pickle is somebody that we've followed a lot longer than Tyler, and we understand Sir Pickle a lot better than Tyler. And I get it.
Yeah, I don't know what he was thinking. He seemed like he was just like, well, I think it's going to go up. Look how it's going to go up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
He's just, fuck, I'm looking at the 4 hour going, as soon as we hit that, you were going to dump. You know.
Oh, I need to send a quick text message. I'm going to mute you because apparently my Android fucking blows out your ears.
The clicking of the fucking text.
Give me a second.
The push button. God dang, how we missed that. Good Lord. Oh. Wow. That was cool.
All right. You know,
before we get a entry here, one thing you and I do know about these types of moves, a lot of times it gets filled. We've been saying that for months and recognizing that.
Yeah.
Be cautious. I think what I would do here is I would watch that level that I was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
See if it shows respect. If it does that, you can start putting that together.
Yeah.
And maybe get an entry. There. That's not orders there. I just can't leave her out. Hopefully it's not all stupid fast.
You put
for some reason this
hold up, dude. You can't just say that shit and just keep going like nonchalantly. Did you say that you have orders up?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I walked away, but they're way the fuck up there.
Yeah, the 680 area?
Oh, it's the original. Yeah, the first. Yeah, well, 710. No, I got orders at 710.
Oh my god, way up there? Like you're absolutely A-okay for the market.
I put it in a long time ago, man.
Oh, okay.
I put it in a long time ago. I put it in at the end of fucking 803 candle or whatever.
I get it.
probably gonna take them off.
Dude, you realize it's got to move 100 points, right?
Well, just did that, but maybe 680. Oh, I don't know. It's kind of a weird price action.
Yeah, I don't really like it. But god damn, you were right, bro. Jesus.
It's a hefty move.
My goal, I'm going to put it out there into the universe. My goal is going to be to meet our girl Tanja and Tyler in the YouTube world.
Dude, I want you to know that even on the 15-second chart, there was no entry.
Oh, really? It just, boom, ready to go.
Let's go look to see. Yeah, right. No. Damn. It's crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah. It's like shit.
It's like, nope, I'm going to deny you.
So we just took out the morning low. Interesting, right? Just pop that out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. This could be just a back and forth kind of choppy, weird morning. But god dang, man, that was sick. Imagine if you just said, fuck it, I'm going to just get into that play again. That's a 5-minute SIBI from this morning that we actually repriced into. I mean, you could have if you were super fucking ballsy.
I see it, man. Jeez. Is that a re-entry or is that the first entry? In the 5 minutes.
The first entry.
Let's see, what's the high? 714. So 715 would be. Oh wow! It barely tapped it in at 750 our time. It was a perfect entry at 750 our time, and then obviously that candle at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah.
The news, bro.
News, yeah.
And this is the winner.
And then I know you already mentioned it, but there's a volume imbalance there on the 5 minute. I wonder if that was the whole reason why the market went up to that and then crashed down. I don't know. You never know, but just something to point out.
Wow. Well, go to the 4 hour, and I just want to explain order flow.
All right.
From the highs, right? 2 green candles come up, displace down. 2 more green candles come up. Now we had the breaker, the thing I showed you.
Yeah.
We displaced down, and now again, the bodies of the 2 green candles, the second set, right? That's Wednesday noon to Wednesday 1600.
Yeah, I see it.
Draw those across, and we're doing it again.
Let me draw it across because I like visuals.
Well,
I like visuals, dude. Leave me the fuck alone.
Use your crosshairs.
Visuals, dude. Visuals. I see it, man. I went into it today. Not only so you add that, you add that on top of the SIBI, and it's. That's
me trying to explain order blocks. That was my task this week.
Oh, you son of a bitch, dude.
Because you didn't do it. I did, you lazy fucker.
That's okay. Let's not talk about that, okay? I think you did that on purpose. You're trapping me on my live stream, make me look like a dumbass. I think that's what it was.
Well, we made a deal with each other. It's Friday.
That's pretty shitty, dude. God dang it. That's never mind. I don't want to talk to you right now about that.
You said you didn't do yours.
Let's not go there.
Remember what you were supposed to do?
Yes, I do. I don't want to talk about it, dude. God damn it. You're doing it on purpose. See, this is
till 2 o'clock today.
Okay, I get that. I'll accept that.
What is it again you have to do?
I would hate to have you as my boss. Shut up. I would hate for you to have you as my boss because you would ride my ass over the smallest little things, and you do it on purpose and in front of everybody.
I know, all the small things are the easy things to do. We had a task, we made a deal. I don't know why you didn't
because I even said it on Wednesday. You're like, oh yeah. Haven't done it.
All right, I've been sick, bitch.
What's your excuse? Just kidding.
Yeah, what have you been doing?
Being a big ass, pussy ass baby.
That was a move, bro. That was a really decent move.
Did anybody trade it? Nobody traded that bitch, dude.
Well, there's just no trade.
Good job this morning, man. Good job.
Thanks. And we made money. I can't believe that thing just went off without us getting a chance at it. But so Tyler's only lost. Is his screen red?
Well, no, because he's not showing. Like he doesn't have his P&L up. I don't know why he hasn't had it up all this week, even through his big winner yesterday. He just didn't have it up. His big wiener. Just watching Tyler on my live stream and Tanja.
That's crazy. But now I'm searching for order block stuff to see if I can find more of that evidence in the past where we could have used it. Yeah, there's another one. Jesus Christ. That's cool. Bodies are lined up fucking perfect, and that is noon. Damn it. Fucking rails after that. No, it's... Well, I don't know. I guess at this point, what I'll be doing, fuck it.
Well, that was our morning, dude.
Yeah. See, and you're like, fuck this 6:30. Fuck 6:30. See? You showed up to the game, baby.
I wasn't even gonna call you, dude, because I knew
I didn't expect you to. I wouldn't even look at my phone.
I know. I wasn't going to call you because I knew you were going to give me shit. And then I did, and then we got up until 10, 15 seconds ago. I was like, oh, okay, he's not going to give me shit about the 6:30. Nope.
That came in. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just can't. So again, I just want to be, this is what I'm here for, right? Got a little emotional yesterday, man.
Oh, absolutely.
And it fucks with us.
Oh, god damn, it does.
Don't. Oh, where did I put my fucking arm in the water? Well, this isn't great for my investment accounts, but alright. I'm learning something though. If I can read order block flow and just and watch as things are respected, I can have a clear understanding about, where we're going. Damn, it's gonna probably pull lower. Let me go look at my investment accounts real quick to see. I need to watch this Morningstar trade. See that Morningstar? Okay, get this. That Morningstar trade's up $100 this morning. I do like it, man. It's a good fucking thing.
Well,
dude, I'm up to $8,400. I'm $1,600 from hitting $10,000.
Dang, dude, that's amazing.
let's just. Oh, I did get a sign, bro. Target. That's right.
Start selling calls.
Target.
Start selling calls.
In fact, I set my ass back down. I was like, oh shit, that's right. TGG. I gotta go sell. I'm gonna see if I can get anything against it. All right, so I own at 93. So 93 is my. So let's see. We're about to find out. 28 days. 93. I'll get $1.42. $142.
Hold on. Why is this?
So I'm selling that. Huh. There you go.
Excuse me. Jeez. I'm trying to get to Target. No, I don't want Target futures. You idiot. TGT?
Target futures. What the fuck?
I don't know.
/Target.
You own it at what price?
93.
93. Wow, way up there. And you're selling, tell me what strike price you're selling.
I just sold 93.
Oh, you sold 93. And you own it at 93.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this. I'm down $500 on that stock, but for the P&L for the year is 140. So I had collected against it. Like I had collected on the puts. Good or not. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like it's 93, but it's not really 93 because all the premium I've collected.
Yeah.
So I just sold back at the 93 for another $143 for a month. And, you know, if it comes up, I regain 500 plus 143. You know, I'd be up 700 for the year on Target.
Damn.
If it goes, you know, so we'll see. Target keeps falling, it gets tricky.
Yeah. No matter what happens, what you just sold, you're gonna keep.
Yeah, 143 is guaranteed.
Yeah, that's guaranteed. And the problem becomes when you sell a call below where you own it.
You never do that.
You never do that. You never do that.
No. Mm-hmm. Never, ever do you ever.
Yep.
They call them flying rescue missions.
Yeah.
So if I get to the point where I can't, then I sell another put down low to start, you know, keep that premium thing going on. I guess.
Do you ever?
If I get assigned again, then I'm averaged down, and now I'm selling calls.
Do you ever? I've never thought about it this way. Say you own the stock, and I mean, I don't know. I feel like the math doesn't work out for a long time, but let's say you do start selling puts again because it's gone against you. If you sell enough premium where you're pretty much break even, do you let go of the position or do you just stick with it until it goes above your average?
I think you stick with it. No, I'm not looking to. Okay, so your idea there is, I just want to make my money back. Don't think of it like that. No, we're here to make money. We'll make money.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm never gonna, like, you never ever really want to stop in these situations with losses.
Yeah.
Like, that's not the point. The point isn't to be like, oh, I made a bad trade and I'm just lucky to get this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is part of the system. This is it. I own Target now. Ooh, she's going lower.
Digging lower, man.
That this morning, I was like, dude, we could probably head lower. Now my morning star's starting to fall. Okay, let's go look at that. I kind of need to know the bailout plan. Well, so my Morningstar doesn't have a bailout necessarily. What I have to do. Let's get to it. Let's get that off. Johnson is still in a really good position. So the 65.50 is really where I have to start doing something.
65.50.
We're at 66.60. It's still up about $100-something right now. This thing's good for a week, so $100-something a week is really good.
God dang! I don't know.
Sunday, Monday.
I was so confused.
Monday, you good?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay,
sorry.
by Monday, it's up $400 right here.
I get it.
Over
Morningstar. I'm thinking something else when you said 6 in the 60s. Just I was so confused about it. But I get what you're talking about now. I get it.
I'm gonna send you a photo of the profile so you can. Oh, Jesus Christ, the fucking sun. Oh, dang, the glare on the screens is. It's only an issue when I have to take a picture of the screens. I don't see it. But I'll send that to you so you kind of see what that looks like.
Okay. Is Tanja or Tyler looking to trade this thing?
I mean, London low, yesterday's close, like, shit. It's displacing up, maybe through those cities. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, dude. I remember that, dude. It's like the purple line is like a gun to me. It keeps the barrel of a gun keeps getting longer and longer and longer as the day goes by. Yeah, I remember those days.
So it's unlimited. I mean, there's no risk to the upside, and each day that purple line, that break even back there, keeps going backwards.
Yeah.
Because, and this is essentially the mechanics of the 112 trade.
I don't know that
Tom does.
Oh, really?
And those 112s that I have on in the S right now, but they're 120 and 60 days. Like, he's just got a cool variation to it. I'm going 10 days out, and I'm collecting $400 in 5 of those 10 days. Yeah.
So, yeah, that's I get it.
And this is one. This isn't like 10.
Dude, that's exactly our trade that we used to trade. That's exactly it. I know you've already noted that, but Jesus.
And I'm up good on it. I'm up over $1,000 already in the last month that I've been playing it.
I thought you said you were going to get rid of it, though.
No. So I put on a fucking 365 day one. It was going to make me $8,000, pretty much guaranteed, right?
Yeah.
Like it was like all the way back to 4,100 or some shit.
I want to try to show this to whoever's watching my stream, but you can't see it. Yeah.
It was like back to 4,100 or some shit. This thing was in bad shape.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, fuck, dude, just hang on. But the fix was a negative $600. I was like, oh,
yeah.
shit. So Vega can kick my ass.
You can simulate that on the Analyze tab, right?
Well, you can click Vega to see what the number is, or you can put in a 30.
Mm-hmm.
You can put in like a 30-point climb in the VIX, which usually happens once a year. Yeah. And you can see what your P&L would be, and it'd be like $30,000 down. It was just insane. And I was like, oh God, okay.
Yeah.
It's like, no way, I can't do that. What sucks because in most market conditions outside of something like COVID, dude, it's like almost guaranteed.
It's guaranteed. Just be patient. If anything else, just be patient. But you're right that in something like COVID, you don't know where the bottom is. There's who knows.
No, and so you end up letting go.
Yeah.
So the way to protect this,
mm-hmm.
keep in mind you basically have a butterfly eye, okay, with an extra short.
Yeah.
So the butterfly is not a problem. It's a broken wing butterfly with an extra short. And so what you need to watch is for that extra short, you need to watch its deltas. When its deltas double, triple, then you need to exit the one short.
Okay, I get it.
Then you have a broken wing butterfly.
I get it.
So that's how you do it. Like before, I was just like, trying to close the whole fucking thing.
Yeah.
At that point, you don't need to buy a protection anymore. It's a risk-defined trade with a massive, long put or debit put spread.
How much? How much in margin is it costing you? Sorry, just margin.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I don't know. Ow, fuck! I'm walking around and I don't know.
That's amazing, dude. I'm still looking at the analyze tab, dude. That's incredible.
I just hit my fucking knee trying to get up here. Ow. My morning star is taking me. So right now it's 21,000 in margin, which is odd.
That's a lot.
And it's usually about 6.
Oh wow!
I think it's because my protection today is expiring here in a bit.
3 times
maybe.
as big. Yeah.
So let's put it that way. Let me tell you what that return is. Okay. Let's just call it 1,600. So you would say times 12. Oh Jesus, yeah. So it can make around 19,000 a year using 22. I mean, it's a massive amount of return on the capital.
It's 100%, damn near.
Damn near, yeah. So it's super. So you don't have to push it hard. To use 20 grand and then pull out, even if it turned out to be 10,000, you were able to make on it. Fucking
50%. Yeah.
Who the fuck can do that?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So
effectively, Adam has figured out a way to play options and let time be on his side, and he can win. I mean, the in theory, he'll win even if the market goes up or down, and he has a huge wide range. The problem is Vega volatility. If the market, not even the market, just volatility, the VIX, if there's fear in the market and it starts to ramp up, Vega becomes dangerous. Just in a quick nutshell, I have somebody watching. I'm just saying it out loud what you have going on because it's interesting, man.
Yeah, and so I love that long term play. But so right now my Vega is actually pretty good. My Vega is a negative 22 because of other things that I own. I own also options.
You're looking at it as a whole, though, right? That's
yeah. No, you can go into your account statements, and I've got Vega under that, and it lines everything up. Plus, I do own some VIX calls.
Oh, wow, that works. Yeah.
Yeah, and that helps. So I will make money on that. So that's why I'm a negative 17. So I'm Vega flat. I am theta rich. I'm $352 a day in beta.
Oh, okay.
But my delta is 800.
Yeah.
So I'm really heavy on delta, which makes sense. Yeah. But I want you to know, since I started, I've made $2,000 in ES.
Jeez.
And in gold, I've made 650.
Oh wow, cool.
And in oil, I've made 720. Yeah. Gold.
Gold, without pulling up a chart, it's not that volatile, is it?
Fucking flying up.
Is it really?
It's just skyrocket to the moon, bro.
It's
nuts.
Not to stop here, but There's your inverted fair value gap. I know it turned around in the middle of nowhere. I don't see a reason why it would have turned around, but there it is. You see it?
Yeah, and there's the fucking entry. God damn.
I'm just pointing it out. Like there's nothing, and maybe I do a check mark and I keep up with it of, inverted fair value gaps, but anyways, just I'm pointing it out.
Yes, sir.
That's 60 points. 60 points already.
Right on. Okay. All right, Manuel. I'm gonna go to work.
Yep.
Yes.
I'm gonna stay on the stream for just a little bit longer, but I'm done. I'm just watching and talking it out with you and watching Tanja and Tyler in the background.
And they're not doing anything?
They're not doing anything, man. Neither one of them.
I can't believe dude, you're gonna have to you still haven't done it the other way. I want to know why we traded the long yesterday.
Oh, I'll watch it. I'll watch his video.
I have no fucking clue why he was long during that 8 o'clock push into a fucking 4 hour. I just don't get it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe he's smarter than I am. I don't know, but what the fuck? It's so funny how we're all like trying to be ICT, but then you see shit like that. We're so different. Everybody's so different.
Everybody's different, man.
You know?
Yeah.
And I don't know, it could be just the way this really works, people's personalities. He just felt like, it's going to go up.
Yeah, that's a possibility. It's a possibility that he just YOLO'd it and just went long because he thought it was long, like you said. It's sure.
That's what it seems. I don't know if he verbally explains why he's doing stuff. It would be nice to know.
Yeah. Okay. No, I'll go through it. Sweet. Oh, well, time to get to work, dude.
You're gonna get to work or what?
And just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's 8:41. It's Friday. It's a busy Friday for us, too. So, yes, sir.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go do the same. Man, I get so confused.
All right, dude. We'll talk later, man. Give me a call later.
Okay, bud.
All right, later. Oh, just want to take a quick second here and just watch for a little bit. And I get not very many people are watching. That's okay. I'll use this as my diary. It's pretty frustrating this week. I had a losing week, even with today's big winner. You'll see these. I mean, it looks great, right? Everything's green, and it's over $4,000, not including this combine. That I'm down. I'm not down on the combine, but I'm up. Damn near $6,000. I got 3,000 left. And that sucks because I was only like $1,000 to $1,500 away from passing it. And not that I'm being reckless with it, just I'm being really pretty loose with it. And then I'm down on the drawdown, live drawdown. Down $2,300. And so that sucks, but am still alive, and that's just again a fun project for me. The real story is these small accounts are they're the important ones for me, and nobody really talks about this, and that's fine. Everybody talks about strategy and whatnot, but these small accounts, basically, these fund accounts 2 through 10. Oh yeah, 2 through 10, and number 13. They're the important ones for me. I won't necessarily go into as to why that is, but um, they're different levels, but most of them are at the same. Some I should say that some of them are in different levels, and 2 or 3 of them are different. For instance, number 2, it's not even at a full plus 1,000. 3, 4, there you go, up 1,000. So 2, 4, 5 is up $1,800. I can take a payout on that one. And then 6 up 13. Most of them are up $1,300. And then number 13, that's only up $700. On the big accounts, 11 through 21, for the exception of 13, of course, they are $150,000 funded accounts. As you can see, I'm down $300 there, down $400 there. 14. I'm up 800, 800, 800, up 800, up 800. I'm up $78 on number 19. 20, I'm up $65. Number 21, I'm up $190. So I'm not down in a whole lot of them. For the most part, I'm very green. I'm pretty green everywhere. But I've been at this for a long time. Since the beginning of the year, I haven't got any payouts. That's a little bit of a little frustrating on my part, but I'm getting there. I'm going in the right direction. At least I'm not talking to you and saying they're in the red and I'm trying to claw myself out. Sure, I have 2 or 3 that are in the red, but they're not in the red by a whole lot. And for the most part, I gotta admit, and I'm really admitting live and putting it out there. I'm a break even trader right now. I've been a break even trader for a long time, um, very long time. It's actually worse on my top step accounts. This account, I'm down $500. This is a $50,000 funded account. These are funded. These are all funded accounts, by the way. I just want to reiterate that. And I've never been in the green on this top step account. This top step account, this is a $150,000 top step account. I'm up 947. There's a very particular reason actually why, especially on the top step accounts, I'm nowhere really. That is, I have tried many different strategies in different variations, forms and variations. However, I haven't lost a single funded account, for the exception of a stupid mistake going back to Apex. You can see that on my funded accounts, it starts with number 2. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all the way down to 21. And I have 20 funded accounts. Well, the very first funded account that I got with Apex, I screwed up on the trade copier. I thought that I was trading all of the accounts when indeed I wasn't, and I only was trading the number one, that one account, and I ended up buying or trading with like 20 contracts, and I didn't realize it in that very moment, and it went against me, and in no time, it just I failed it, and so that was an oopsie. That was I don't really count that as me losing an account, although it was a mistake and I did lose it. But everywhere else, I've had these accounts, top step accounts, for a over a year, if you'll believe me. I've had, in fact, this one here, I've had it for well over a year, and it's down $500. This is a very, very difficult game that we're playing, that we fantasize doing, as our main means of income, full-time traders. That's our dream, right? That's all of our dreams. It is very, very, very difficult. Like, it's don't believe the hype. The whole reason why I want to take this time and actually talk to you about this is, don't believe the hype. Don't drink the Kool-Aid. That's an analogy I like to use. There's so many people out there on YouTube, especially TikTok. God dang, TikTok is littered with these people. They're like, "Oh, I made $5,000. I made $1,500," and like they make it seem so easy and effortless, and you can tell. And I don't want to be so judgmental by looking at them. However, they're doing these TikToks and they're claiming these elaborate like claims, and they're in their car, and like they're like dancing and whatnot, and it's just ridiculous. You can tell. Don't be fooled by those tactics. And I can't reiterate that enough. That's the whole reason why I started my YouTube channel, is to literally show the world the true what it's really like to trade, the emotions. God, I was so irritated and frustrated yesterday. Anybody that jumped on or that has watched my live yesterday could very easily tell on my face like how frustrated I was. I lost. I made it back today, but I lost $100 on the small accounts, and then I lost $300 on the big account. So I literally just made my money back from yesterday, and I'm okay with that. But that's it. That's really why I wanted to just take this time and just talk to you about it, and just be very honest and very frank with the world, and to show you the ups and downs. This is not easy. I don't care who's telling you. Um, People from very young to very old to just a few weeks, and it's actually ridiculous because I wish I can go back. She deleted her TikTok, um, and I'm kind of a bully for doing this, and I admit it. But there was this girl on TikTok. She said she has no experience. You can tell as an experienced day trader that I've been doing this for many years. I have 22 funded accounts. um, I can just tell. I can tell when people aren't sincere, when they're full of shit, when they're full of bullshit, and I can just tell the way they talk about the markets, the lingo. There was this girl on TikTok that said, I'm determined to trade to turn $500 into $5,000, and by the beginning of September, I think that's what it was, and she only had like a month to 2 months to go. It was somewhere around July, August, somewhere around there. And I literally just jumped on there. I was like, dude, like you're not, you're talking about, oh, oh, I can't remember what it was that she was really talking about. And all it was is she was trying to like teach her audience, when you need to, if you're determined, you're so determined to turn $500 into 5,000. First of all, that claim is ridiculous. Turn $500 to $5,000 in 1 month, 10x your money. That's ridiculous, especially as a beginner. Unless you're just gambling and buying or going long or going short, and you just catch that wave, and you're getting lucky at that point. It's no skill involved. Anyways, I went on there publicly. I said, that's ridiculous. You're trying to teach your audience when you need to be actually, putting your head down and going to work if that's what you want." And I kept up with her. I wasn't trying to be very mean, just very direct. That can get you in trouble. And she didn't really necessarily acknowledge my comments, but she did acknowledge a response to one of my comments. Long story short, she deleted her TikTok. It's like, dude, yeah, I saw that coming a mile away. I can do this, and maybe I can start like a series of this, like just calling people out, because it's ridiculous, guys, and it bothers me, frustrates me. There's nothing that I can do. I can only just expose it and try to educate my audience. But don't believe the hype. Don't drink the Kool-Aid. This is a really difficult game. I feel really good about the strategy that we're utilizing, ICT. I don't want to get into what I think of him as a person and all of the other things behind him, so to speak. I am talking directly about the strategy, the method of what he teaches, and it works for the most part. It works. It's apparent. So there you go. Thank you so much, everybody, for hearing me out. I'm just going on rants, and I'm sorry about that, but I just thought it was time for me to kind of just say that out loud. I've been bottling that up for a long time. And I go away, break even pretty much for the week. I'm down. Well, let's look at it really quick. This is the big account for this week. It takes a while. Tradevate takes a while to bring up that report. In the meantime, here we go. Tanja is in a short. What about Tyler? Tyler, nothing. Oh, he's in a short too. 578, 5. Wow. They both saw the same thing. That's crazy. Here we go. For this week on the big accounts, with commissions, I'm down $309, which is, I think I already talked it over with Adam. 309. Let's just go 310 divide by 6. So I'm down 51 points. That's for the week, which that sucks. What about for the month? Oh, there you go. Same thing. So I'm down 50. Let's just call him 60 points. We can call it 60 points. Of course, that's a little more because, well, that's with commissions and whatnot. But 55 to 60 points I'm down for the month. I mean, it's not good, but it's not terrible. It's 60 points. I just made 60 points today, so one trade will turn that around. And then we only have 2 more trading days for September. I want to kind of watch what happens here. Where are their stops? 627.25. Oh, wow. She has it at the highs. So let's go to our chart, my chart. 6. Why did they go there? You need to be short up here. Let's zoom in here. So 578, she's trading the 5-minute. I see. That is cleaner. And let's go with Tyler Trades. That's the 5-minute. Wow, they're both trading the 5-minute. I wonder if is that a coincidence? I don't know. That's NQ. 527. His stop is the bodies. Wow. Well, good luck to them. Tyler already lost today, 40 something points. I do. Anybody listening, anybody watching, whether today or in the future, um, I think Tyler Trades is an incredible trader. I just don't know for sure what he sees sometimes, and he's right most of the time. It's crazy. I mean, there you go. He's only down 10 points, 12 points. You got in at 570 and at 582. I see. I see what they're looking at, what they're seeing. Yeah. Yeah. No, I get it. 5 minute entry. That's pretty good. The 5 minute entry. I know you can't see my 5 minute here, but that's it. There. Now it's starting to roll off. Nice. They're both in the green, especially Tanja. Why isn't that? Yeah. His goal would. Oh gosh, his goal is 243. God, he's going for a huge trade. It's already 9 o'clock. I gotta get to work. Well, I'm gonna leave you guys here. I got to get to work. I appreciate anyone that has stuck around. Again, not that I lost my cool. I was so frustrated, especially yesterday at the end of the day. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I got my money back and a little bit more from yesterday. Really happy about that. See you guys here next week. Next video, next live stream. Hoping that it's a green one. See you guys later.